Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Audi A4 B6 radio. This process requires specific tools to prevent damage. First, ensure you have 4 dedicated radio removal keys. For safety, always disconnect your car's negative battery terminal before starting. Also, consider placing a soft cloth or painter's tape around the radio to protect your dashboard trim from scratches. Now, let's insert the removal keys. You'll find 4 small, horizontal slots on the radio's front panel, 1 in each corner. Take one key and slide it into a slot. Ensure the curved edge of the key faces towards the center of the radio. Push it in until you hear a clear click, confirming the internal locking mechanism has released. Repeat this for all 4 slots. With all 4 keys inserted and locked, it's time to release the radio. Gently pull each of the 4 keys outwards, away from the radio's center. While maintaining this outward pressure, carefully pull the entire radio unit straight out from the dashboard. If it feels a bit stubborn, a slight wiggle can help. The radio should slide forward smoothly, revealing the rear connections. Once the radio is pulled out, you'll see several electrical connectors and antenna cables attached to its rear. Carefully disconnect each one. Many connectors have small tabs that you need to press or squeeze before they will release. Take your time to avoid damaging any wires or plugs. With all cables detached, the radio is fully removed. Remember to store your removal keys for future use.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.